Okay. Hello, everyone. Today I am going to present a country that I really like, and its name is New Zealand. I choose this country because there are more ships than people there, and I think that's very interesting and funny. Right now, you can see our slides after my speech. Benim slide'ım vardı bana. After my speech, you will watch our video. Now, let's begin.
But I want to say that, I guess you had one question that why we choose the New Zealand. And in the say that there's a lot of ships. I guess as you seen like world is a cat and they will play with Australia, but New Zealand is like other size country. That's why I choose the New Zealand. Yeah.
Also, I agree with my group, and I choose the New Zealandia because this country is very advanced in saying language. Here, these rights of people with here important are also protected, and this is interesting to me because learning different ways is for people communicate is important. And I want to share this is the online class, and this way I can show both the countries, culture, and experience with sync language.
Okay, let's take you a long time ago. First, let's start.
Okay, hello teacher. Hello teacher, and no. Okay. Hello dear viewers. Today we will report about a country that has supposedly disappeared from the world map. Its name is New Zealandia. Yes.
I am detective. I come to investigate this case. A country cannot be disappeared. Either it's hiding or a map is too shy to show it.
Its name is New Zealand.
Okay, and have you seen that country anywhere?
I'm a witness. I found it.
Where did you see it?
There is in New Zealand.
So the country, so the country didn't run away, or just it's hiding from us.
Near the Pacific Ocean, and it is very far away.
Okay, let me take my notes. Then
it's far away, very away.
Okay, tell me the capital, Nazlı.
The capital is Wellington.
Suspicious name, but accepted. I need to take my notes. Okay, let's get in sentence area.
Yes, Memorable news update. The flight is so long that when you land, you hug the pilot like a relative.
So the country is small, but his city is making big role.
There's a famous city for the adventure and loves Queenstown.
And do people jump from bridge there?
Bungee jumping.
Bungee jumper. I will jump, but only onto a bed. It's crazy, maybe.
Yeah.
Tourists also go to the famous Taiwan Sky Tower.
So in that country there are a lot of tourists. That's why we can say that the country isn't hidden. Everyone looks at simply, but it's an interesting country, I guess.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yeah. The investigation is finished. Yeah.
Yes.
The investigation is finished.
Conclusion.
I said after I said the country has not disappeared. Maybe.
And ben de extended üzüyorsan. It's just far away, but it's worth for discovering. Present day, welcome to the Super Tour Agency. We take you on a New Zealand tour.
Please, 1 minute.
Evet.
Okay, please, Super Tour again to repeat, Ahmed.
Oradan başlayalım. Okay, present day. Welcome to Super Tour Agency. We are taking you on a New Zealand tour.
Oh, is the internet there? There is no Wi-Fi? I am not going. So sorry.
Yes, there is. It's even very fast in the capital, in Wellington. But the wind there is so strong that your hair still change for free.
Oh,
Okay. The tour package includes mountains, ocean, sheep, and more sheeps.
why? Why are you so
Too
many
many.
ships there?
Because there are more ships than people in the country.
It's maybe funny.
As a bonus, we are taking you Hobbiton Village. There are no hobbits, but their houses exist.
So there are no hobbits. I want to return my ticket. It's not important.
Don't worry, instead you will see a famous flatness bird. The New Zealand, a small country, big adventure.
Big adventure.
Yes.
Okay.
And bir de Melih sorsanız ki niye bu çekimci geldik? Orada bir şeyle danışmıştık ki mesela İnce evvelden başka bir insan idi, şimdi başka bir insan çevirir. O manada.
Good one.
And for now, let's start our slide.
Yes, live video.
Let's go.
Yes, we had a question for you guys. What comes to mind when you think New Zealand? Let's get anything. Like first, I can say that yes, Arzu.
Yeah, like just sheep comes to my mind when I think about the New Zealand, and, like green places.
Yes, and others. Sheep, animal sheep.
And maybe kiwi birds.
Others?
Hobbits, we can say, like they're famous for their hobbits too, like hobbit houses,
Yeah.
I think. And so
Yeah.
and I love the nature of New Zealand too. Like this is really great. Like their sky, also the places.
And I want to say that in there, sorry, say it again. Oh, sorry. Next page.
O biri
please.
grubun aktivliğini beğenmedim ama ben.
Ben burada mən danışıram zaten.
Yo, sizi demirəm. O sual verdi, sizə cavab vermədiniz. Dünən amma onlar cavab vermişdi hamısı.
Thank you.
Aktivliğinizi...
Bizim deyirsiniz.
Yox, aktivliğinizi beğenmədim.
Ben de baxdım bizim.
Səbinə gəlin qrupundan söhbət gedir.
Ben bir şey diyeyim de ben Zeynep hakkında.
De. Soruşur da və demək lazımdır.
Ben diyeceğim. Ama hiç kim anlamayacak.
De.
De,
Seyaz.
Okay. I'm following a music group. That's why there is one talented girl born in New Zealand.
What are their names?
Music group.
The music group, yeah. You can say. Aysun, are you here?
Yes, teacher. There is a bird.
they called kiwi bird.
Kiwi
yeah.
birds. Yeah.
There is national.
Yes, and the bird cannot fly.
Yes.
And some people called kiwi bird New Zealand.
Yes, kiwi birds. Great one. Got it.
The
Nice.
next page. Nothing isn't here.
Yes, let's pass it.
I'll talk
Oh,
about New
I
Zealand.
should do it. I forgot.
Last page, I want to say one thing. Yeah, Aysun is correct that kiwi is their national animal. I want to say that in there, like I guess, yeah, there are 5 times more sheep than people. I don't know why. And let's say that about they has a as you can see there are 5.1 million people in there, and their mine is New Zealand dollar or NZD. They had 3 languages: English, Maori, and hand language. Why I didn't write the hand language? It has an outer slide. That's why I don't want that. And largest Auckland, capital is Wellington. Yes, and we can say that why that country is most safest and peaceful country because there are it's a dağlı ülke necə deyirlər?
It's a mountainous country.
Mountainous country, but there are no any wildland. They have wildland, but not too much. As an example, I guess they don't have any snake and snake and other animals.
I agree with Ahmed.
Okay.
I agree with Ahmed. And New Zealand is an island country.
Island.
It has 2 main island, and the population is small. And sheep. I agree with Ahmed because he say sheep are more than people. And the flag has stars. The color are blue, red, and white. It is the stated Pacific Ocean, and seasons are opposite there because when we have summer, they have winter. The country is currency is dollar, and
Currency.
maybe in my opinion,
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I need to fix something. Like, it's not New Zealandia, it's New Zealand. New Zealand. Be careful about that. So, it's not a country, it's currency. Currency. And so, it's not Island, it is island.
Okay.
And I talk about New Zealand. New Zealand is an ocean. Is in ocean. North, it has 2 island. Yes, island. Island is North Island and South Island. And the capital city is Wellington, and the largest city is Auckland. The population about is 50 million people, and New Zealand maybe has beautiful nature. There are high mountain, big lakes, and green forests. And maybe the highest mountain is Mount Cook. Yes, is in New Zealand. There are also volcans in the country. The culture of New Zealand is very interesting. For example, the native people are the Maori people. The native people Maori, and they have their own language and traditional. This time, this country have two languages, English or Maori. And this is their traditional dance is called haka. This is very interesting dance. I advise you watch the in YouTube. And the most famous animal is in the kiwi bird. Yes, I agree. My group mate and other guys, it cannot fly, and it's a symbol of the country. And there are more ships than people in New Zealand. Rugby is the New Zealand sport, the most popular sport. The national rugby team is New Zealand. National rugby union team, yes, national rugby team, union team, yes. They
Union.
are very in what
Union.
union, yes. They are very strong and famous in the world. And in conclusion, New Zealand is a clean, safe, and beautiful country. Maybe it's a great place for tourists. Thank you for your attention.
And as Naz Ince said that, Mehmet Ege, I guess some of you had an understandable is that why there's the like flag is like similar to United Kingdom. Okay, because in the history, the United Kingdom, they had get that people. I guess like in Azerbaijan, yani Naxçıvan Muxtar Respublikası'nın bence ayrı bir tane bayrağı var ama onlarda da Azerbaycan bayrağının bir hissesi var. Bunlarda kimi?
Okay,
Onun
got
kimi?
it. Mm-hmm.
Next page.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Yeah, as we can say that last page in this said about like New Zealand geography. And I want to say that in there has a fun fact that New Zealand January is the most warmest or the hottest hot month, but July is the coldest or cold. And in there, this country has a two parts, North Island and South Island. As you can see in the photo, like in the Southern Alps, in the south in the near of in the south part, but in the north part, and there has a like famous volcanic activity, and that's all we can say.
Okay, now I will say country has many mountains and there are long rivers. The beach are very beautiful and the river water is clean. Forests are everywhere and the land is very green. There are many hills and wells. And the weather change fast because it can rain suddenly. Sometimes the sun can be strong, and there are hot spring. Some places look magical. The waves are unforgettable, and tourists take many photos. Nature is well, and the country feels peaceful, I think.
And maybe I agree with my group mate. New Zealand is located in the Pacific Ocean. It is southeast of Australia, and the country has two main islands, North Island and South Island. The Cook Strait is between these two islands, and New Zealand has very beautiful and interesting nature. There are high mountains, green hills, forests, and a long beach. Is the but No, nothing. Okay. Is the South Iceland? They are the Southern Alps. The highest mountain is Auraki, Mount Kong name, and there are many lakes and rivers in the country. It's the famous. The lakes and rivers. There are also active volcans and hot springs. I agree with my group mate. The North Iceland has many volcanic areas, is of course, and the climate of New Zealand is mild and oceanic. Summers are warm and winters are cold. It often rains, and the south country is very green. And New Zealand maybe geography is very special, and that makes it one of the most beautiful countries in the world.
Yeah, just said about that Auraki, and yeah, we can see that Inji said that true information about that, and like Auraki is the highest peak in the New Zealand. Next page. Ben buna basarsız birinci. Yes, this is their like national anthem, and I want to say that Papahaka, there is performance art, and this is the most visible from of Maori music today. It combines song, dance, and movement. Like I don't know how can I say that, but they mixed something in their like over national. Like names that Waita e Ringa action songs, where the lyrics and supported by graceful or powerful hand and arm movements. We can see about a haka, while often through of just a dance. The rhythmic shouting and foot stomping are a form of pursuing music. And as we come to poem, a performance where singers swing balls on a chord in rhythm pattern, creating a song, creating a soft and trembling neydi söz? Sound that acts like a belt. I can say that.
Where is this word?
Orada yoktu Meryem. Özüm öğrenmiştim.
Oh, okay.
The culture is rich and başlayayım Mehmet.
Nothing.
The culture is rich and also wonders look very peaceful and music is important there. Traditional song tell story. People sing together and also drum are used often. Modern music is popular too and young people love pop music. Festivals are colorful and also clothes are traditional. Titles have meaning, and each symbol tells a story. Culture is respect. Please insert.
Yes. Monster Hunter is New Zealand traditional dance, and traditional Maori music was primarily vocal. This chants called moteantia, and were not just songs, but a way to record history, genealogy, wakapapa, and emotions. No harmony, for example, historical. There was sung in Nubian and or octavans, yes, or octaves without harmony, and purpose. For example, they were used for morning, and storytelling or using cologans. Yes, and McDonald's Morris singers traditionally used smaller intervals than the standard Western scale, giving the music in a unique sliding quality.
Yes, like India said that, they like how can I say? They are most of people is Maori, and I want to say about that Maori culture. Firstly, they are arrival in around 13th century, and and after a long time, at I guess 118 year, they founded like a New Zealand. I don't know this country find that, but yeah, we can say that. And their cultural traditional is Haka, Tomoko, and Maori. Their language is the real Maori core concept, and their traditional like yemek cuisine. Yok.
Cuisine.
Yine diyenlerden nasıl söyleyeceğim?
Cuisine.
Benim cuisine nece değil yani. Cuisine diye bir söz var bir de.
Cuisine.
Their traditional cuisine is hangi. Let's speak about their cultural traditions, the Haka. It's still famous, the most famous Maori cultural practice. The Haka is folk and energetic dance involving rhythm movement, like as last time I said that. To Moko, a traditional Maori tattooing, often applied to the face or body, like our tattoos. I don't have any tattoo. Maori is sacred communication space the service hold with their people. They believe that, and they language we can say that, and the real Maori like böyle bu sonra değil yani uzun oldu slide. Next page.
Böyle de.
Uzun gitti orada. Ben şimdi buradan bir daha atayım dene.
Legend tells of a ring created by an ancient evil that gave its wearer the power to enslave the world. Believed lost for centuries, it is now been found.
Is it secret? Is it safe?
This is the One Ring, forged by the Dark Lord Sauron. Sauron needs only this ring to cover all the lands of a second darkness. He's seeking it all. His thought is bent on it.
No one knows it's here, do they? Do they, Gandalf?
The weapon of the enemy is a gift. Let us use it against him.
You cannot wield it. None of us can.
The ring must be destroyed.
It was made in the fires of Mount Doom. Only there can it be unmade.
I know what I must do, but I'm afraid to do it.
One does not simply walk into Mordor.
There is no other way. There's something down there. Precious.
Are you frightened?
Yes.
Not nearly frightened enough.
Yes, that's all about that. It's a thriller about Lord of the Rings. I guess this is the first film's trailer, and so many people didn't believe that it's from New Zealand. Firstly, yeah, I don't believe that it's from New Zealand, but when I searched that it's in New Zealand, I want to say word to Nazlı.
Okay, and many
Scene.
many scenes were real nature, and fans visit film place. Tourism increased after it, and the movie some place they show mountains, and it show river and hill, and the film look musical, and people feel amazing for me. Inti?
And okay, the author and the world building the creator is J.R.R. Tolkien was a professor of Anglo-Saxon and a brilliant Syllogist, a student of language. Language first, and Tolkien didn't just write a story. He created entire language like the Elvish tongues, Quenya and Sindarin. Though he was famous said that the stories were written to provide and evolve for language, not the other way around. Middle Earth, the setting for the story in a meticulous and delighted world with thousands of years or lore and maps and distinct cultures. That's all.
Ahmet, we don't hear you. You're
Okay.
mute. Səsin bağlamısan.
Also, teacher, the film win award and inspired travels. Many called in Magical Land, and cinema made the country legacy.
Yes, both of you said true, but when I search about them, find the main character, and its name is Peter Jackson. and his player name is Peter Jackson. Adamın adı yaxşı, yəni qəribə dedi, yadını saxlamadım. Amma onun oynayan adamın adı Peter Jackson'dır. The film is from 2123, and New Zealand as the middle in the earth. We can see that the films were shot entirely in the New Zealand, then turning its landscapes into global icons. After years later, in 2002, as you know that from Sony, Spider-Man is come with Tobey Maguire, and I guess they can't beat like Lord of Rings, or they beat, and tam bilmem bence hele bir şey olmuştu. And Nazi said true that they win Oscar from that, and I guess they had 11 Oscar or Academy Awards, and yeah, that's all. Next.
What I wish I knew before visiting New Zealand. The food here is next level. Like, why didn't anyone tell me pavlova could change your life? Hey, I'm Mia, and if you're heading to New Zealand, get ready to eat well. Here are 5 must-try foods that'll make your trip tasty. Number 1, hangi. It's a traditional Maori meal cooked underground. Think smoky, tender meats and veggies that melt in your mouth. So good. 2, pavlova. Light, fluffy meringue topped with whipped cream and fresh fruit. Kiwis, they invented it, and I believe them. 3, fish and chips by the beach. Crispy, golden, and best eaten with sandy toes and seagulls watching. 4, green-lipped mussels. They're huge, juicy, and only found in New Zealand. Seafood fans, this one's for you. And finally, LEP. It's a fizzy drink that tastes like lemony magic. Sweet, tangy, and totally Kiwi. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. So, hungry yet? Hit save and start your food adventure in Aotearoa.
Okay, first time I will start. And local food is tastier, and from traditional meals cooked underground, it is called hangi. Meats and vegetables are used. The taste is smoky. People cook is for event. Also, seafood very popular, and fish is very fluent, and they eat mussels too. Meals are social time, and food show culture.
You said the truth about that, and I want to say that their traditional food for me, not for me, from my point of view, that Maori food or kai is centered around fresh, natural ingredients and from the land and sea, moana, they say that, and hangi is the earth oven. This is the most famous Maori cooking method. A pit is dug in the ground, stones and heated by fire, and baskets of meat, lamb, pork, and chicken and vegetables. For Muslims, it has lamb and chicken. For vegetarians, it has vegetables, and for other bodies that for whatever they want, and we can see that in the pit is covered with earth to trap the heat, steaming the food for several hours. It gives the food a delicious and heavy smoky flavor. Yeah.
And maybe Maori food, yes, I agree with me, it's very delicious. And I say the kumara is the traditional cooked is a sweet potato brought to New Zealand by early Maori settlers and is a suitable of their diet and comes in various colors like gold, red, and purple. And after cooks is raven bread is a traditional Maori starch bread and made with a potato starter, and it has a unique sweet and sour taste and a firm texture. A firm texture, and after seafood is Mara culture has a deep connection to the ocean, and
Sorry.
Pao names.
Sorry to interrupt. Not sea, seafood, and also ocean.
Yes, connection to the ocean.
Yes.
And
Pao and pita and crayfish are delicious, often enjoyed at the large cooker, large people.
Yes, and India and Nazlı gave the truth about that. And as you can see, there are four like other meals from the New Zealand. Yes, and these foods are great and good, but I don't. When I try to speak about that with my own, I can't speak about that. That's why I choose the others, and yeah, that's all we can say. Next page, please.
Will we stay the same? Do you know what love is? Do you know what love is like? Do you know?
Yes, like last time we said in our speech that like role play, Nazlı said that like you don't there like how ne demiştim?
Bungee jumping.
Yani demiştik ki I would jump yeah from the bridge that Nazlı said that bungee jumping. I write a little information about bungee jumping. Yeah, bungee jumping is a great idea for people. And last time when I see that in YouTube, when I search, let's say it, and they had, I guess, they had, yeah, I write that. They had from that 0 point and 43 metre yukarı kullanıldı. Yeah, and like others, you can say that about in the what you want in video one.
And I want to say, hiking is common and people explore forests. Hiking is extinct for us, and surfing is famous. Many read bike, and camping is fun. And starting is amazing. The sky is very clear. People watch the walls, and both trips are relaxed for their people. And some mountains are open. Visitors take tours, and guides tell story. Adventure give adrenaline, and every trip feels peaceful. Please, interesting.
That's it. Can I pass the next page?
Yes. No, but she forgot, I guess.
And I talk in winter, people can go demedim o kardeş düşmeyine değil mi?
Oh, like ice skating.
Ice skating and snowboarding, yes, in the mountains. In summer, they can go surfing, rafting, and mountain hiking. Mountain hiking, yes, I agree with Nazlı and Ahmed because of its beautiful and wild nature. Yes, wild nature. New Zealand is a perfect for people and who loves adventure, maybe, and outdoor activity.
Mm-hmm.
That's so nice.
Guys, first time I finished, and Sing language is important in New Zealand. It is a official language, and deaf people use it daily. It helps communicate, and sing are made with hand. Physical expression matter, and body movement is a part of language. Children learn it at the school, and teachers support deaf students. TV sometimes show interpret TV, and people receive this language. Also, it has own grammar. It is not the same English. Sing can show emotion, and something look like picture, and learning it is fun. It opens new friendship, communicate, become unknown. Many people want to learn it. Also, I learned a Sing language. I practice it often, and it makes me proud. I can talk with deaf people. They feel happy, and I feel happy too. Language communicate here, and silence can still speak. Hand can tell stories. It is a beautiful language. It teaches pointed, and it teaches empathy. It change person, and it is more than language. That's all.
So can you show us some kind of signatures? Can you tell us with sign language?
I want to say that a little thing that, like, I write that page for Nazlı, and she is like to speak about that. And so can you like copy that? Məmmabin yazılan şey kopyalayabilirsiniz bir dənə aşağıdan. Sözümü deyəcəyim, o da alınmadı siz evində.
Necə kopyalayayım?
Oradan kopyalayayım bir dənə. Onu Google yazdım, dəyişər çıxacaq.
Okay. Just a minute.
Yes, this is their Sing language page. In that page, they sell their like books or something else like that. And ben mühabbetdə bu sayta. Mən yükləmişəm bir iki dənə kitab. Yəni, yox, bir iki kitab var, yəni onun haqqında bir məlumatdır. Yəni bir səhifə PDF-lə. This book, yeah. Ben bunu fırsatından dikiyorum. Ya ona bakın. Onu böyle yapmışım. O anca.
So I got it. Like, but I think that Nazlı knows sign language. Yeah, I think that she can show us something. Do you want to do it, Nazlı? Nazlı, can you do something with your sign language? Like, tell us something.
Okay, teacher. Example, sometimes I practice in my home. Example,
Matris. No, like, yeah, I know that you just showed us some sign languages for music, but can you tell us, for example, I love New Zealand. Can you say it with your sign language?
I love the New Zealand.
Okay, so how can you say I love my group? I don't know. What can you say?
I love the group.
Mm-hmm. So just a minute. I will ask you as well. How can you say that I am from New Zealand? I live in let's say mountain.
Onun eləməyində o qədər də
Yaxşı, nə deyə bilərsən? How can you say I like pizza, I'm hungry. Acaba ona görə seçim.
bilmirəm. Öz bildiklərimdən edim daha.
Okay, okay. What does it mean?
Also, Şerif neydi?
Matri.
Sing, and also I learned that Azerbaijan hymn neydi?
Anthem.
Azerbaijan anthem, yes.
Him tapıb qoyublar, adını bilmirlər ingilisindən nədir. Yaxşı.
Teacher,
Yes,
Can I
sən
show
neyə bilərsən?
something?
Neyini göstər gərək.
this is H, like this
This
is
is
and
H.
this is high. This is
Okay.
high.
Got it. H and high.
I know this is B.
B.
Bir de ben sonra bir ders sayısı var. Şaka yapıyorum. Onu attım size. Oradan özleyin.
Bircə dəqiqə gözləyim mən də, bircə saniyə.
But Turkish language this. Example, this is Azerbaijan language B, but Turkish language is B. And many different. They are
B.
very different.
What was the A in Azerbaijan?
Azerbaijan, but Turkish language A this is
Okay. A, B.
Yes.
Yes.
B.
What is C?
B Azerbaijan language. This is B.
Is this C?
This is C.
This is D.
C. C.
This is D. Gerçekten. Okay.
Teacher, this is D, but Turkish language. This is B.
Okay, got it. Aha, devam eləyək.
Yes, this is their history. Like, I want to say that in the three part, like first the discovery of New Zealand, the arrival of British and the modern era. Like last time I said about their flag, I don't know. This is in the arrival of this. That's why that arrival of the British. Like firstly, I want to speak about their New Zealand was the last last major landmass on Earth and to be settled by humans. Arrival and this tours of the majority people arrived from East Polynesia in large voyaging canoes, Waka, Aotearoa. They named the land Aotearoa, which means that land of the long with light cloud. Culture of first time is that over centuries they develop a distinct culture with their own language, mythic and mysticology and social structure based on 3B's EV. And
the country has a deep history. First people arrived by canyon and they explored the Islam, tribal were format and traditional were strong. Strong were oral and Europe arrived later. Culture met and change starts. City were built and trade developed and new lands appeared and education improved, technology come. The country grew fast and traditional state alive. People receive ancient and history is taught in schools.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, that's all.
Thank you. That was great. We loved it. Okay, firstly, I would like to hear the comments about your presentation from Sabina and Aysun. What do you think, Sabina?
I think it was good. It was lots of information in this presentation, but I think good. I liked.
Nice. Aysun?
Yes, teacher, I agree with Samina. I learned a lot of information, your presentation, but slide was good. But bir dənə burada elə yazılar falan biraz qarışıq idi, yəni baxanda gözüm ağrıyırdı biraz.
Şey gözlərim, dərsləmədim mən onu. Yaxşını tapamadım.
Öyle oldu biraz.
Mən demişdim ki, dəyiş, amma tapa bilməyib.
Mən istəyirəm. Mən bir şeylərə baxıb biri əyri çıxır, biri ürü çıxır, bizim ən yaxşısı budur.
Mən də sənin kömək olardım o cəhətdən.
Bizə
Okay.
yaxşı.
May I say my comment? It was great. I loved it. Mostly, I loved the sign language part and the warm up, and also the like where you made the dialogue. Like they were really great, and your information were was really perfect. I love the information that you give us. But there are pros and cons. Yaxşı və pis tərəflərini də. Yaxşı tərəflərini dedim. They were good sides.
Mən şey pis idim.
Yox. Pis tərəfləri nə idi? Like pis tərəf deməyim. There were some bad sides. There were a lot of information. Çox informasiya var idi. İnformasiyalar biraz az olsaydı, yəni nə mənada az? Biraz baş qarışdırıcı kimi idi də. Sən ekranda var, sonra siz deyirsiniz və çox uzun deyirsiniz. Like that was a little bit confusing. But when it comes to the information, for example, I really struggled for understanding İnci's and Nazlı's information. Biraz Nazlı ilə İnci'nin informasiyaları çox daha uzun idilər. İnformasiyalar həddindən orta uzun idi və qulaq asmaq çətinləşirdi. Əhməd yenə biraz arada belə role play kimi nəsə qatırdı, qulaq asmaq daha asan idi. Bir də ki, mən istəyərdim ki, biz seyirci sayılırıq da, seyirci ilə biraz interaksiya yaradardıq. Məsələn, dünən Səbinə bizə dərsinin arasında suallar verirdi, keçə. Məsələn, elə bir şey eləsəydiniz daha çox sevinərdim ki, biz daha çox qatılardıq. Belə bir, məsələn, oyun demirəm də, məsələn, suallar verərdim bizə, bizim fikrimizi alardın aralıqda, o daha yaxşı. Məsələn, warm-up hissəsində əla idi, fikrimizi aldım. Düşündüm ki, bəlkə irəlidə də olar, o olsaydı lap əla olardı. Amma belə ümumilikdə videolarınızı çox bəyəndim. Bəli.
Biz oyunsan, amma mən siz niyə istəyəliyə biraz çoxu sual cavab eləyənmədim? Çünki mən Yeni Zelandiyanın çox adam eşitmişdi adını, amma çox yəni dərindən məna, yəni necə olduğunu bilmirdim.
Məsələn, çox informasiya
bilmirdim.
Bugün çox şey öyrəndim. Məsələn, Lord of the Rings öyrəndim. Nə bilim, orada onların himləri, yeməkləri, onlar haqqında çox şey öyrəndim. Həqiqətən çox möhtəşəm idi. Məsələn, orada Maori tayfası var imiş, onları da öyrəndik. Onların dilləri, currency, hər şey. Sonra 5,1 milyon əhalisi var imiş. Yəni bunların hamısı çox əla idi. Həqiqətən çox bəyəndim. Və onsuz Yeni Zelandiya mənim çox sevdiyim bir ölkədir. İstəyirəm ki, orada gedim yaşayam. Yəni o cəhətdən mənim üçün çox maraqlı oldu ki, o informasiyaları öyrənim. Sadəcə biraz informasiya yığın şəklində deməsəydiniz, yəni informasiya topası şəklində deyil də, biraz onları bölə-bölə ya da ki bizlə interaksiyaya girərək desəydiniz daha super olardı. Yenə də çox bəyəndim. Həqiqətən informasiyaları super idi. Videolar, informasiya ilə videonun belə əlaqəsi çox qəşəng idi. Videolarınızı həddən artıq çox bəyəndim. Sonra slaydınızı da bəyəndim mən.
İnci'yə olan təşəkkürlər deyirik.
İnci, təşəkkürlər videolar üçün çox qəşəng idi. Mən İnci'nin roluna da çox bəyəndim. İnci belə getdi, açqı taxdı, belə rola girdi, onu çox bəyəndim. Sən rolunu bəyəndin, belə o belə geyindi.
Nazlı alınmadı. Belə gözümdən düşür dəqiqələr. Belə qalmışdım mən.
Yox, belə yaxşısan. Nazlı'nın o xəritə ilə gəlib danışmasından sonra sign language hissəsini bəyəndim.